Welcome back, everybody. This video we're going to be talking about triangles and the Triangle Sum Theorem, which says the measure of all three angles of a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. So let's do a few examples that show that. In this problem, it says the measure of one angle of a right triangle is 42 degrees. What's the measure of the third angle? Well, right triangle, as we know, has 90 degrees for one of the angles. So we can note that here, 90 degrees. The other angle, 42. And then in order to figure out the remaining angle, call that angle x, we could set up this equation. 180 equals 90 plus 42 plus x. We can add 90 and 42 together to get 132. We can subtract away 132. (180 minus 132), 48 degrees. The missing angle is 48 degrees. Let's look at another scenario here. We have another triangle where we see 63 degrees. It's a little bit blurry. 63 degrees and 22 degrees. And we want to classify this triangle. Triangles can be acute, obtuse, or right. So once again, we got to figure out the missing angle. 180 is equal to 63 plus 22 plus x. 63 plus 22, 85. And then we're going to subtract 85 from both sides. (180 minus 85), 95. Alright, since the missing angle here is 95, it's greater than 90, that's going to tell us what type of triangle it is. It is an obtuse triangle. Obtuse, if one of the angles is greater than 90, which this one is, it would have been a right triangle if it was equal to 90, and it would be an acute triangle if it was less, if all three angles were less than 90. But this one in particular is an obtuse triangle. Look at another one here. What's the value of x? Notice our three angles. We have 39, 102, and x. I'm going to do this a little bit quicker. I'm going to add together the 39 and the 102, and we're going to have 141. That's the sum of the two angles we know. And then right away I will subtract 180 to tell us our missing angle. And as you can see here, our missing angle would be 39 degrees. Alright, these last two examples, a little more algebraic in nature. That we have the measure of the angles in triangle ABC are given by the expressions in the table. Find the value of x, then find the measure of angle B and the measure of angle C. Now they tell us measure of angle A, 48, but B has this expression, C has that expression. It's a matter of setting up an equation. 48, one angle, plus the other angle, 6x minus 28, plus 2x. We can set that equal to 180. 48 minus 28 is 20. 6x plus 2x, 8x, equal to 180. We will take away that 20 from both sides. Minus 20 minus 20. (8x) is equal to 160. We can divide by 8, and the missing value x is 20. Now that's just the value of x. That doesn't tell us anything about the angle measures. We're going to take that 20 and substitute it in for this x right here. 6 times 20 is 120. 120 minus 28, 92 degrees. This angle is 92 degrees. That would be angle B. We don't have to figure out angle A because they already tell us it's 48. But then we're going to take this 20 again and just substitute it in right here, and 2 times 20 is 40. The missing angle is 40 degrees. Let's do one more. It says the measure of angles in triangle ABC are given by the expressions in the table. Find the measure of angle A and the measure of angle C. They tell us B. Look at B. B is 15. So we see that right here. But the other two expressions, 4x minus 13, x plus 18. So we're going to do just what we did in the previous problem. All those expressions are going to be added together. 4x minus 13, the 15, and the x plus 18. We're going to set that equal to 180. We're going to add the 4x and the 1x together to make 5x. We're going to say negative 13, positive 15, positive 18. So negative 13 and 15 make 2. 2 plus 18, 20. Here's our simplified expression. I'm going to take away the 20 from both sides. Leaves us with 5x equal to 160. $160 will get divided by 5, and x will be 32. Now please note that is not the angle measure, that's just the value of x. Let's take that 32 and substitute it in here to figure out A. 4 times 32 is 128. Minus 13, 115 is this angle measure for A. And then 32 plus 18 for the other one. We'll take this 32 again, put it in right here. So we're just adding 32 to 18, and we're getting 50 degrees. So our two missing angles, angle A is 115 degrees, angle C is 50 degrees. And that's it for our video. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps.